the world of enterprise software and services is changing radically over the last few years. And we're going to meet with MindTouch. They say it's continuing to change how people work together in big companies.
MindTouch is a software company that delivers enterprise collaboration platform. We have an open source version. Looks a lot like a very popular enterprise wiki. In fact, our software is ranked in the top open source projects in the world. It's commonly used for basically one of two things: either a social intranet or social documentation. It's increasingly becoming the case that companies are looking for ways to provide a social or collaborative layer over their existing applications and systems. And previously, it's only been through the very large vendors, the Microsoft, the OpenText, these very monolithic heavy stacks, or IBM, that you could achieve this, except it took you 12 to 18 months and very lengthy development cycles to do it, very expensive. We're seeing people do that with MindTouch in a month or three. Yeah. So very quickly, very iteratively. You asked about lead generation. So just imagine taking 10 DVDs of video and text and putting it on the internet for the first time.
Yeah.
What does that do for your search engine optimization? And then building a community around that where they can contribute to it. And they can help you to help them kick ass on your products better. Yeah. So as they're registering with the site, they're sharing information with you about how you could improve this or that. Of course, it's helping lead generation. So it's hooked directly.
It makes a company and a product alive, really, right?
Absolutely correct. I love that. To make the transition from all of your dead documentation into MindTouch is pretty easy. And the reason is because from the beginning, we built it as a platform for federating your enterprise systems and then exposing that data or behavior through this easy-to-use collaborative interface. So what we'll commonly see is, oh, well, we have an XML repository, we have a bunch of FrameMaker files, we have all of these silos, which MindTouch has always excelled at federating and then exposing through this easy-to-use authoring environment. So generally, it's pretty easy to do. Now, you can download our free tools. We also have a commercial download that's really inexpensive. It's a few $1,000s that you can download directly off of our website. And people who download it often go, well, when they download our tools, right? They go, wow, this is a really polished enterprise wiki. Yeah. And they're right. It is a very polished enterprise wiki. It's a very popular enterprise wiki. But to look at MindTouch and go, oh, that's an enterprise wiki, is a lot like looking at Microsoft Excel or a spreadsheet application and saying, oh, that's a table I can put numbers in, because you're right about that, but you're really missing the point.